Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and this is another sandwich in 60 seconds.
All right, here we go. We got a Mike's Hot Honey Sandwich. How else would we do it? No other way. We got the fresh mozzarella. We got a little sourdough seeded bread. We're going to drizzle the honey right on the mozzarella cheese. We got shaved porchetta. Are you kidding me? Nah, I'm not. We're going to do a little more honey, because how else would we do it? Put the lid on there, and then we're going to the grill pan. A little butter, a little olive oil. I got the Blackstone press. Oh my God. Let's give it a little flip. Do we get enough crisp? Nope, not yet. Oh, yep, we definitely do. Anyway, you're going to get it crispy on both sides. Melt that cheese. And you are going to have that. I mean, are you kidding? I'm not.
You know, Mike's Hot Honey is all the rage these days, and rightfully so. It's delicious. People are using it in their car as engine oil, or they're putting it on their comb to slick back their hair. I'm not saying I did, but whoa, honey-do. That's what I call it. Anyway, listen to me. We're making a hot honey porchetta grilled cheese. I mean, come on, we brought a little Italian in there, and this is what we end up with. Excellence. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.